Okay, so we have a cool test today for you. We are actually hooking up the microphone. What do we call this?
Audiometer? I don't know. What is it?
Digital sound level meter right here with the nice furry cover on it. We have a GoPro up here. We have another GoPro here. We have GoPros all over the car. We are going to test out the audio difference between a Model S with the panoramic roof. Then we'll jump over to Scott's car, use the exact same cameras and everything, set it up the same, and do a run in a Model S with a solid glass roof, not the panoramic roof, and see if there's a difference in the volume levels inside the car. So we won't talk, we won't have air conditioning on, we won't have the sound system on, nothing. We have this positioned so it's as close in level between David and I's ear so that it is right about where we would hear. And we're curious to know if there's any difference in road type noise, wind noise, any of that.
A few moments later.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your
Okay,
soul.
so it is now a new day. I have gone over all the data. I just compiled the first half of this video, and now I want to kind of go over with what I saw, and let's talk about sound levels a little bit. So on the video, I did put the average decibel rating for each speed section. So at 25 miles an hour, you saw that the panoramic roof was at 58, whereas the glass roof was at 61 decibels. At 45, they're basically indistinguishable at 62 decibels. And then at 65 miles an hour, we had 66 decibels on the panoramic roof and 68 decibels on the glass roof. So what exactly does all this equate to? A 1 decibel difference is a 7% increase in loudness. So most people honestly can't even hear a 1 decibel increase. Until you really start to hit 2, 3, 4 decibel differences, that's when you really will notice it. So that being said, I was in the car for all these test drives and I really didn't notice anything. As you could see though, at 25 miles an hour it was at the greatest a 3 decibel difference, 45 miles an hour 0 decibel difference, and then 65 miles an hour a 2 decibel difference. So is it really noticeable? Not really, but I've seen a lot of talk about this online saying that glass roofs tend to be louder. Maybe those people have really good ears and they can hear that 7% increase or 14% increase as you may, but most people aren't going to notice a difference. I honestly would have thought panoramic roofs would have been louder just because it actually opens, so there's an extra seal in there and everything, but data kind of shows us otherwise. So yeah, I guess that's kind of the takeaway from this is I don't really think it's that noticeable. Maybe you think differently. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've been in a car with both panoramic and glass roof and have noticed a difference. These literally were same day, same road, same everything. I think we did it like 15 minutes apart, so same wind conditions, everything. So we try to make it as exactly the same as possible. But yeah, let me know what your takeaway is too down in the comments. If you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. Tesla just added 100+ inventory cars. These do qualify for all federal and state incentives, so definitely check them out. If you are looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which that is the only way to get it. It's definitely great if you do a lot of road trips and everything. And if you do use our referral code, certainly send me an email through the website. That way I have your contact info so that when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out, do some test rides, test drives, have a good old time with it, because really without your guys' support, none of this would be possible. Definitely though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and found this info helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see the Model 3 data. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.